Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've posted, but I've been doing a little bit on the truck. Got new rims for it. Haven't taken a video of them. The truck's dirty right now, but I will make a video of a walk around of the truck and show you guys the new rims. But in this video, I will be showing you guys how to switch the on and off button on the Rough Country harness, because it is a one of those cheap looking buttons, which I know is kind of annoying, but yeah, there's a couple of you guys that have been wondering how to wire a normal toggle switch on, and I have gone ahead and taken out my harness and torn it apart, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So like I said, I've taken the cheap button off of the harness, and I have a couple of toggle switches here, and I've simulated the LED light with this light bulb. But here's the wiring. This black one is the ground, obviously. The white is your constant power, and the blue is what sends power to the relay that sets off the lights. So on a toggle switch like this, it'll have your ground, your power, and then the light. So with our wiring of the switch, we gotta go, obviously, the black to ground, the white to the constant, and then the blue goes to that other one there. Obviously, you're gonna have those connectors to properly hook these up. I'm just doing this for test purposes. So once you get those hooked up, you should be able to flip the switch. Oh, this keeps falling out. 1 second. So once you have everything hooked up, it should, when you switch this on, turn on the light. And it turns on the light on the switch as well. Turn it off, on. And while testing, I found out that if you switch the blue and the white, you can constantly have that switch light up, and then it'll still function the same. Oh, come on. So it'll just light up, and you'll still be able to toggle it on and off. If you wanted to keep that light on, you would just switch those two wires. But if you would just want that light to turn on when the light's on, then you would go put that white to the power side of it, and then the blue to the light side of the switch, and then it'll only turn on when you turn on the switch. That's for this style. There's also this style. I've also just shoved some terminal fittings in there just for this test purpose. But obviously your ground. And what I found with these is it doesn't really matter which terminals the blue and the white go into. They still function the same either way. So turning on, off, it should light up. It's really hard to see, but that light lights up when you turn it on. And if I switch these two in the middle, the white and the blue, it'll still function the same, and it still lights up. So this style, make sure the ground's on the ground side, and it doesn't really matter which two wires you connect to there, and it'll still work the same. And then this one, like I said, if you want it constantly on, put that white wire, which is the constant, to the light here, so then it'll light this up all the time. And then if not, go the other way, and you should be good to go. So that'll be it for this video. Just a quick and short one that I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. There's been a lot of people, or there's been a couple people commenting on how to replace it, since it is a cheap on and off button to put in. So hopefully that helped. Like I said before, I'll show you guys the truck once it's clean. I'll do a walk around of it. Got those new rims like I was saying. But yeah, that'll be it. We'll see you guys on the next one.